Okay, guys, this is how we're going to use the Davinci Code trading setup, okay? Remember, guys, this line right here, this green one, okay? First and foremost and most important is if its price is above it, we are looking for buys. If price is below it, we are looking for sales, okay? So, especially with indices, US30, NAS100, the good thing about it is we want to look for runs, okay? And that is why it should be in the bag. I ordered 3 of them. Oh no. Are you kidding me? It's not in either bag? Did you look at the bottom of that bag? Okay, well, you go. All right, you're gonna have to wait till I get done. Okay. We want to look for runs, and that's another thing that why market structure is so important. Okay, while you're looking for the runs. Okay, now you never go broke securing profits. Okay, and I do want you guys to always secure your profits, move your stop loss into your profit, especially till you get just a whiz. You know, it's going to be another few months before you can trust yourself and trust these markets to get in a US30 buy or sell and let it run 30, 45 minutes and catch a few thousand pips. Okay. So just remember the big, thick green line. That's what that's for. Now you have got, but in all things you need to know your support and resistance. You need to know your price action. You need to know that market structure. So get in your back office and get it down and do the homework. Okay. So then the next 2 moving averages that we have, I don't want them quite as thick, is our red and our yellow. Okay. What the important thing to remember with these is your red line. Okay. If your red is on the bottom, you're looking for sales. If your red is on the top, you are looking for buys. Guys, you can trade with this alone. You can trade with this alone. Okay. So you, especially when the red crosses the yellow going down, you're looking for a sale. When it on the areas, when it falls below, okay, and it crosses, this would be a perfect entry. It has crossed. The red's crossed under the yellow. Okay. It is under the 50. Okay. And then how you know when you're really, really, really in a good trade is when you start getting spaces in between. The more space you get in between these moving averages, the better of a trend that you are in. Okay. So you guys, do you see? And then do you see how it crosses? Now your red crosses on top of your yellow. Your red is on top. So what are you looking for? You're looking for buys. And then it crosses this 50. Boom. You've got an entry. Okay. That's what these are for. Okay. You're also going to see this. Okay. Oh, no. Hold on. Give me a second. Sorry. like this one. Okay. All right. Better. Okay. This is a trend. Okay. So if you notice, when it's in an uptrend, it's blue. When it's bullish, when it's bearish, it's red. In between, you're going to see these yellow lines come up, which is a warning. It's a warning that it's about to change your trend on you, okay? So this is just extra confirmation about what you're in, okay? And the thing about this is, like, let me find like an area. Okay. So like right here, it's blue, yellow, warning, warning, warning. It could switch. Red, it's switching. Now, the thing about this is, like right here where it starts to go back up, it could give you a yellow warning. It could give you a yellow warning, but it continues to fall. So the yellow turns red and continues your pattern. That is what this is. Okay. That is what this is. Now, I messed around with the RSI a little bit this morning. I did not like it. I'm not going to totally give up on it, but I'm not going to. I didn't like it. Okay. Oh, I can't see for them. Okay. These right here are, we're going to call them sniper entries, or Davinci code entries. Okay. When this comes up, especially if you have these, look, and then what happens? Everything falls below the 50. Your red's crossing. Boom. That is an entry. Okay. That is an entry. Now, I like confirmation. I don't like to just boom, sell, boom, buy, boom, sell, boom, buy. Now we have made, we, unless we are scalping, okay? If we're scalping, boom, sell, boom, buy, boom, sell, boom, buy, take you about 100, 150 pips and get your ass out of the markets, okay? I like extra confirmation, okay? Boom, this comes up. Well, hell, we're looking for sales, okay? Now, and you know, when all this stuff is sideways like this right here and like this right here, this is consolidation and we're just not getting in it. You know, we're just not getting in it, okay? We're not messing with it, okay? And I want you to see, okay? I want you to see, like if we had got in down here, boom, and then everything, you know, crossed, boom, 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 and we're riding it up. Okay, say this sale comes up, boom, but I want you to look how much space you got. You got a pretty good amount of space in here, which means the trend is strong. Okay, so I don't know, I wouldn't necessarily take that. Now, let me show you. The MACD. This is extra confluence, okay? Red is selling pressure. Green is buying pressure, okay? Selling, 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 selling. When you see this purple line clip, the end of the MACD at the end, that means the sellers are losing pressure, okay? That is the beginning signs that the sellers are losing pressure. And then what do you notice? Gray, 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 gray. In these areas, okay, one of two things are going to happen, okay? In these gray areas, it's either gassing up to continue the trend, or it's about to reverse on you, okay? Or it's about to reverse on you. So you can see here, it was a reversal. It was a reversal. Trend changed, okay? See right here, we've got these little arrows. See right here, we've got this. But look down here, we don't have any green yet. I would like to see some green before I take this buy. And I would like to see the red on top of the yellow. And this is coming out of a, you know, out of a consolidation, okay? So you can see, I like confluence. I like multiple confirmations. So, right here, you can see the purple line is kind of coming to the top, like buyers are about to lose their momentum. And then sure enough, what you see, gray, 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 it's fizzling out. It's fizzling out. And it went a little bit. So now we have a green. The red's on top. It's a blue. Let's just take a buy. Now, you're going to have, that's why it's so important. I want you guys, it's so important for you to know your zones, for you to know your support and resistance, because you're going to have, and you know these indicators lag. So it's very important, and that's why I want you to spend your time in your university going through this so you can see with your eyes without indicators, so you can draw them yourself, because you know the indicators lag. You're going to have supply and demand. Okay? That's going to give you your ceilings and your floors. Okay? It's going to give you your ceilings and your floors. But you're also going to have multi-time frame. Multi-time frame. Okay? So that's going to pull up the different time frames, supply and demand. Okay? So you'll see it, it'll say 15, 30, 1 hour, or 15. Well, you're going to know on the 15-minute chart, that is an area where it's having a hard time breaking through on the 15 or the 30 or the 1 hour or all of the above. Okay? So you can pretty much bet your bottom dollar that when it hits those zones, it's going to stay there a minute. It's going to struggle. Okay? Let me make sure that added. Okay. And all of these things together make a pretty profitable trading system. Okay. Makes a pretty profitable trading system. So, let me put my candle timer on too, and I'll just save this. Because any of these things you can trade on your own all together is confluence. So you'll see me go back and forth a lot between the 15-minute and the 1 minute. I like to take my entries on the 1 minute and then kind of go back and watch it play out on the 15-minute. So do you see here? We've got all these areas. You can see like this is your basic supply demand, but you can see right here, this area, this darker blue, 30-minute to 1 hour. It is a supply demand on there. Here it struggled on the 30-minute to get past this. Here it struggled on the 30-minute and the 1 hour to get past this. And here it was, you know, on the what time frame is that? On the 1 hour. Okay. You got to train your eyes. I want you to train your eyes, okay? And I want you to look for the multiple confluences, okay? I want you to look for the multiple confluences. So, next week, Monday, we're going to do the pre-market session, okay? 5 a.m. I need to get up at 4. I need to get up at 4. Tuesday, Wednesday. I don't know. Tuesday, well, and y'all know I'm moving too. Tuesday and Wednesday, we'll do the 7:30. So we're there an hour before the market opens. Thursday, I'm traveling. Friday, I'm traveling. Saturday, Sunday, I'll be back to, yeah, Monday, Tuesday. Okay. Because we want to be good and know what I want you to have the confidence before we start this challenge. Okay, it's just 3% a day, just like $35 a day. So we look for the red, and yes, that's the perfect entry point. That's the perfect entry point, as if they cross and they cross the green either way. That's the perfect entry point. Do you see? Boom. When we start the challenge, when we make our money, we're going to continue trading. We're just going to go to demo or a smaller account so that we can, because I want to teach you guys how to catch the runs, how to catch the runs on US30. That's where you get 2,000-3,000 pips at one time, and you can do it with confidence because you have been through your university, you've been through your training, and you know support and resistance, you know your price action, your trends, you know, market structure. Okay. So for right now, scalping is fine. Scalping is fine. And just remember, when it's sideways like this, stay out. Oh, how nice of you. Stay out. And that's pretty much it. It's easy peasy. It's easy peasy. But I really want you guys to learn your fundamentals. Yeah. I know, right? We're excited to catch the runs.